From high atop Healthcare Hill in Central Maryland, this is BSN Headline News. Today's top story is, starting today, this is Earth Week. That's right, it's not just Earth Day anymore. Bon Secours is recognizing Earth Week all week long. So it should be no surprise that when Practice Green Health released the winners of the 2011 Environmental Excellence Awards this past week, Bon Secours was at the top of the list with the most facilities receiving awards of any other system participating. Practice Green Health is the nation's leading membership and networking organization for institutions in the healthcare community that have made a commitment to a greener tomorrow. Practice Green Health is the source for environmental solutions for the healthcare sector and lends support to create better, safer, greener workplaces and communities. But what exactly is Earth Day? Well, according to one of the founders, John McConnell, when I first conceived of Earth Day, a global holiday to celebrate the wonder of life on our planet, I thought long and hard about the day on which it should fall. It must be meaningful, one that might be accepted universally for all of humankind. When the vernal equinox dawned on me, I immediately knew it was right. That was in early 1969. Later in September 1969, at a conference in Seattle, Washington, U.S. Senator Gaylord Nelson announced that in the spring of 1970, there would be a nationwide grassroots demonstration on the environment. Senator Nelson first proposed the nationwide environmental protest to thrust the environment onto the national agenda. Senator Nelson recalled that it was a gamble, but it worked. The first proclamation of Earth Day was by San Francisco, the city of St. Francis, patron saint of ecology. Finally, designating the first day of spring to be Earth Day was later sanctioned in a proclamation by the United Nations in 1970. And so it came to pass that on April 22, 1970, the first Earth Day was officially recognized. For Bon Secours, going green is being built into the fabric of our day-to-day operations. Indeed, Bon Secours Health System has deepened its understanding of its healing ministry to see all people and creation as connected. This awareness calls us to solidarity with our sisters and brothers near and far, and to sustainable ecological stewardship. Please join us in celebrating Earth Day on April 22nd, 2011, and Earth Week all week long. In other news, Good Samaritan Hospital in Suffern, New York, announced plans to break ground this spring on a major expansion of its already busy emergency department. According to Philip Patterson, CEO of Bon Secours Charity Health System, the expansion will nearly triple the size of the ED over the next decade. According to Patterson, Good Sam plans to create a major center for outpatient surgery and other services at the Suffern Medical Pavilion on the Good Sam campus. Of the expansion, Mr. Patterson is quoted as saying, "As technology improves and procedures become less invasive and recovery time shortens dramatically, the need for state-of-the-art outpatient services is vital. Indeed, last year, Good Sam's emergency department saw over 35,000 patients. They are designed to handle 29,000. So, to meet the growth, the first phase of the expansion will create 13 new bays, bringing their total number of bays to 32. Long-term plans include expanding to a total of 50 patient bays." CEO Rich Statuto has already committed $5.8 million for the initial expansion. According to Mr. Statuto, "This is our top priority at Good Samaritan Hospital and an urgent need for this growing community." Please join us in support of Good Samaritan Hospital in Suffern, New York, and their efforts to continue to grow and provide good help to those in need. Finally, 5 Bon Secours hospitals were named as Best Hospitals in the U.S., according to U.S. News & World Report's Best Hospitals by Metro Area for for 2010 to 2011. Every year, U.S. News and World Report evaluates hospitals in 52 metro areas in 16 specialties. This year, out of a field of 4,852 hospitals, only 152 actually made the list. Bon Secours hospitals included Memorial Regional Medical Center in Mechanicsville, Virginia for gastroenterology, geriatrics, kidney disorders, neurology and neurosurgery, orthopedics, and pulmonology. Bon Secours St. Mary's Hospital, Richmond, Virginia for gastroenterology, geriatrics, gynecology, neurology and neurosurgery, and orthopedics. Bon Secours St. Francis Medical Center in Midlothian, Virginia for kidney disorders, neurology and neurosurgery, and orthopedics. Mary Immaculate Hospital in Newport News, Virginia for orthopedics. And Maryview Medical Center in Portsmouth, Virginia for urology. Please join us in congratulating all of these Bon Secours facilities for this prestigious recognition. Well, that's it for this week. Stay tuned to this portal for future up-to-the-minute information on these and other stories on BSN Headline News. I'm Dave Schlachter. Thanks for joining us. BSN Headline News is a production of Bon Secours Productions and is solely responsible for its content.